What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays Kickspot back with another video, and today we have a very expensive unboxing. Now it's not like your typical mystery box. Like, you've seen the title, so it's not like your typical mystery box. So it's kind of pretty much, so basically, if you guys are hip to my Kicking It With The Kickspot, all the shoes I copped over that weekend, retail cops, local cops, basically in this box. And the rough number I say is I'm just gonna say it's $2,000 pretty much. So now that's give or take. When I go through this series and I really piece it up, it may not be exactly 2 bands or maybe over. It really just depends. When I figure it out, then I'll figure it out. But let's go and get into it, because we got a lot of shoes here. We got a lot of shoes. Had to take that jacket off, bro. Summer it's getting hot now. It's starting to be summertime. And the summertime, I'm telling you, bro, my room be getting dumb hot. Like, for no reason, it just be hot. Let me go ahead and open this up. Alright, we got the box open now. I haven't seen these shoes in like a week. But we definitely got some good. We're gonna start off with some heat. Start off with a Jordan 1 box to start it off. Let's see, size 9.5. And I'm gonna do the prices just like I did on, mystery box, on what's it called? On my regular mystery boxes. So right here, we got the Air Jordan 1 Black Gym Red. Now these came out, now if you guys know, go back on my channel. I actually have a review on this specific shoe. I think in the same exact size, because I hit these on sneakers when they first dropped. I think this was like one of my first, my very first sneaker cops. So these are in good condition. There's really no creasing. Only bad thing is like this heel creasing. And once I fix that, they're gonna be good, because there's no star loss. They have OG all, everything like that. There's no creasing anywhere on the shoe. So we got this for a good solid price. And I think I can move. What I'm going to try to move these for is at least 250, 260. So we got this for 210, moving for 260. Alright, the next shoe is a brick, you feel me? It's not nothing too crucial. But we got the Air Jordan 1 Chili Mids. Now this is just, little brick cop I cop. I think I copped these at Finish Line. And the only reason I copped them is because I had like my status points. So I got these for like $10 in the retail. So one reason why I copped these, but you guys will see the counter when I do that. So Chili Mid, size 8. Yeah. Alright, now this one's a newer release now. This one pretty much just came out. If you guys seen, Kicking It With The Kickspot, we went and copped these in store on release day. First time I hit a reserve pair also, which is pretty crazy because I don't ever hit reserve pairs. But got the Air Jordan 3 Georgetown, and I'm not gonna hold you, this is a solid colorway. Leather is good, color blocking, all that. Great. It's a great shoe that I can really see doing, decent in the future. It's a good shoe. It's a PE shoe. It's like a PE, but it doesn't, have like the Georgetown symbols and all that. But this, I'm not gonna hold you, great silhouette, great shoe. So Air Jordan 3. You guys gonna go ahead and see the counter. A lot of these shoes I got for retail. A lot of the newer, brand new shoes are all retail cups. So only thing that it's used would be like I got local. But we're gonna go into the next shoe. I got 2 pairs of these, so I'm just gonna show one of them. But we got a pair, all white Forces. Gotta get them for the summertime. But we got 2 pairs of those. I don't know where the other pair is. It's somewhere in there. But I'm not really. I resell. Like, look, I'm not gonna put like a slide, but I copped 2 pairs for $90 each. I think they were like $95 with tax. I'll flip them for 110, 150, pretty much 110, maybe 100. It really depends. Depends on the person. But 100 to 110, make some quick, easy money. They're Forces. I'm not trying to, rip people's heads off to get a pair of white Forces. But let's go to the next shoe. Alright, so this next shoe is in another, black Nike box. And this one, I copped this the first day I was there, and I'm really happy I did cop them because this was a solid cop. And I actually just copped the mids today of this shoe right here. These paint drips go for stupid money. Like, it retails $85. I had more pairs of these. I was selling pairs at $220 each. You know, when I was up in Ohio with the people down here. So we got 3 pairs of these in, which is great because sheesh, bro. Like, sheesh, bro. These made me bread. I'm not gonna so 3 pairs. So I'm gonna just do like 3 times 85, and then I'll, you know, do the price like that. Actually, I won't do that. I'll just do one. I'll just do it one because that's gonna get too confusing. So, because I be trying to calculate stuff as I'm editing, and it'd be hard. So, but we got those in size 6. That one is a size 6Y. I think we had a 6Y, 6.5, and no, we had 2 6Ys and a 6.5. But hey, let's move into the next shoe. You feel me? So we got another Jordan 1 box. Another Jordan 1 box. Now this one, I know which one this is. This one is one of my investment, like one of my shoes that I'm copying as of right now because I know it's gonna be a good shoe because I'm already starting to see that it's gonna be a good shoe, a good investment because people are starting to hit my phone for them already, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Volt Golds. Now this shoe is I'm saying it's doing good because it's a bright shoe. I've been wearing mine since it's been nice outside, and people have been looking at me like, what shoe is that called? Like, look, it's a very nice shoe, a very nice silhouette. If you're trying to, and it's very low right now. I think I be copping pairs for $190, $200, and my target price to sell them at is at least $250, $260. Make that $60 profit. Even if, and people right now, I tell them right now, look, I will sell it to you, but you gotta pay that $260. You gotta pay the summertime price, cause I mean, I may be nice or generous and sell for $220, $240, but to be honest, I'm rocking that summertime price. I need it. If you want them now, I need the summertime price. You feel me? But Air Jordan 1 Volts in a size 8 DS. These I didn't get for retail. These I definitely copped for. I got these for $200 off a quick little local offer up deal. But yeah, so let's move to the next shoe. Alright, so our first no box sneaker is still a banger. I mean, it's still a banger. You know me, it's still a banger. We got a pair of the Air Jordan 4. And if you see condition on camera, bruh, like, literally, alright. They got damage in transit. That's not supposed to, literally, I have no clue why there's a dent in this shoe. Like, of course, when I show y'all that. But you feel me? There we go. But these ones, literally the laces just have some dirt on them. These just need, all the used shoes I got just need pretty much a quick clean. Maybe, you know, some decreasing here and there, some acetone, remove some scratches. That's about it. But got these for a steal for $110. And to be honest, I could move. Look, I've gotten offers already for $200. I've gotten everything like that. So to be honest, I could move these $200 easily, or I could try to stretch it. The only reason they don't got no box, that's why I'm thinking I probably can't stretch it as far. But I may try to stretch it, you know, get that quick little $220. That's a good little $100 come up, little $10 come up. But if I can get the $220, oh yeah. But $200 is good though. $200 is good. So when I'm in the counter, I may do $210 for the counter. You know, keep it in the middle. You feel me? Cause alright, so the next shoe is our second and last no box shoe. This one is kind of a little more beat. I'm not gonna hold you. This one is a little more beat, but it's not that beat. You feel me? Like the bottoms, there's no heel drag. There's a little bit of heel drag on the back, and the star loss is kind of bad on the front. But with 4s, the size this is in, all I need to do is restore this, and this is a quick little, $140, $160 sale. Because I got these, I think, for like $100. So, just, look out for someone who's been looking out. When I get shoes like this, I just look out for the people who I know who's been looking for this shoe for a little minute. You feel me? So clean it up. I'm gonna clean it up, get it back right, and we should at least make $50-$60 profit off this, if not more. If not more. Definitely not less though. Definitely not less. At least $40-$60 profit. I go for that for every shoe. But size 10.5, Air Jordan 4 white cement. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's a solid colorway. I wonder when they gonna drop these again, because you already know they gonna drop these again. But it probably won't be with the Nike Air, so it may not be for a little minute and they drop these. So I don't know. But let's move into the next shoe. I think we got I think 4 more left. I think 3 or 4 more left. But hey, y'all see left. But let's go. Alright, the next shoe out, was for my hoopers. The next shoe out, rest in peace to the GOAT Kobe. It's really crazy. To this day, it's really crazy what happened. Like this life really be crazy. But we got the Kobe 6. I think these are like the All Stars. I got these on release day for the Georgetown 3s. If you guys hit reservations, you guys know about what Foot Locker and Foot Stores did with these. So great colorway, and all my hoopers, all my local hoopers, you already know I got y'all. So these are already sold, and not for the when I get my Kobe's, I look out for my people who play basketball. So I'm not ready to tax, I'm not ready to go OD or nothing like that. So I just look out for real. So not Air Jordan, Kobe 6 All Stars, a great colorway. I'm not gonna hold you, I like these colorways. These colorways be nice. I don't know if you see it, but it says LA. Got a little thing that says LA right here. And the hologram, y'all. The hologram on this shoe go crazy. If you watch my vlog, I talked about that. You can see the hologram a little better, but hologram goes crazy, bro. But Kobe 6, size 11.5. Cop those for retail also. I think resale was like $260 or something like that, but I sold them for, I think, like $240, something like that. So I'll just put the price up in there. So let's move on to the last 3 shoes. Alright, y'all, so this one right here, I think this one was actually the last cop of the trip. Like, I copped this as I was going to like ship out I already boxed everything up, and the guy had hit me. He was like, yo, I'm ready to pull up, and I was like, alright, bet. Like, I literally copped this like, I think an hour or 2 before I hopped on the plane. Like, hey, he hit my phone. I said, hey, come pull up. I'm copping them. But we got the Air Jordan 4, what are these called? Air Jordan 4 Raptors. Air Jordan 4 Raptors. Another solid colorway. As you see, I got a lot of 4s. People been asking me for 4s, so I had to come through and look out for my customers, you feel me? So we got the Air Jordan 4 Raptors. All these need to clean, and they just need to be sprayed with some suede renew, and then they'll be renewed. They'll be new, you feel me? And there's no heel. There's a little bit of star loss, but it's not bad. Like, you can still see the stars, but they gone a little bit. But once we clean them up, I'll definitely be able to get some good money off them, because I already have an offer for them. He just said he just wants to see them once they get cleaned up. So I think that the offer is for $160. So a lot of these shoes, like I'm telling you, as long as I make my $40-$60 profit off a shoe, I'm Gucci. Simple as that. I'm Gucci. But let's move into the last 2 shoes. Okay, next shoe we got out is size 10. I'm not gonna hold you. My size 10.5 customers, I looked out. Like, I really looked out. Like, a lot of these shoes I got from this trip were 10.5s, 10s, 9s. I was looking out for y'all, for real. But size 10.5, and y'all know the box, for real. We got the Jubilees. These aren't DS, unfortunately, but they are in that condition where once I ice them up, you can label them as like a VND, very near DS, because there's no creasing on the. That's the main thing. If there was creasing on the heel, then I couldn't say that. But there's literally no like creasing, pretty much. The yellowing is not. It's not too bad, but it's there. It's there. But you know what? We got an indoor ice box set up for a reason. Like, we invest in myself for a reason. So we gonna utilize that. So I'm gonna put how much we put these on. I really don't know how much I'm gonna sell these for. but I'm thinking like 260 around there, because that's what I think. I feel as though that's fair for a used price for a used pair. If I ice them up, I may try to tax a little bit, but I'm not gonna tax. You feel me? Like, but if I do ice them up, I will up the price maybe like 280, just because the bottoms are icy and the inside is still inside. You probably can't see it, but the inside, everything is still intact. So Air Jordan 11 Jubilee, size 10.5. Hey, let's move on to the last shoe. The last shoe is gonna be a good shoe that I will be holding for sure. But let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the last shoe out the box. Last shoe. I would say the best for last. Profit wise. Best profit wise and last. But we got the Yeezy 350 Boost Ash Pearl in a size 6. Base size 6. Now, only reason I'm saying I'm holding this is because my group has been telling me, and I believe it, that the colorways, like these light colorways and Yeezys, go to the moon. And base sizes, they always hit 4, 5, 6, 700. And that's true. I've looked at past Yeezys. I've had a lot of past Yeezys in base sizes, and they do bread. So, you know what? I was like, you know what? Hey, I'm already holding a pair of breads. I'm already holding my base size breads, my size 5.5 and 6. So might as well hold this too. You feel me? See what the Yeezy do. So that's the last shoe though. So I'm gonna play the slide. I'm gonna play the last slide real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and talk about everything we cut. Alright, y'all. So look, this wasn't like a typical mystery beater box unboxing, but at the end of the day, we still cook. We still gonna make our profit. I wanted to come to y'all. For y'all who are new to my channel or who have never seen or don't know who I am for real. Look, if y'all ain't want to watch the Kickspot live kicking with the Kickspot, I put this video out. I made this video just for y'all, just so y'all can see all the shoes, you know, we copped on my trip for real. And it's, you know, like I know people like to see, you know, these beater box unboxing, mystery box unboxings. But I'm gonna go ahead, edit this video out, everything like that. And whenever I really want to know, because I did some calculations on my phone myself for how much I sell everything at, and hey, I mean, you know, we made some profit. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Now, that last clip y'all seen, when I was recording it, my camera died. And I'm not gonna hold you, this is like a week later after I recorded the video's been edited and everything like that. It's just, I just didn't put it out yet because I was still trying to edit it. And I've been busy doing some other things too, but we're getting it. We getting back active. You feel me? So, look, the box was great. Definitely solid trip, like I was talking about. And yeah, look, all the shoes that I had in the box, all the shoes I post, all the shoes you normally see on my channel, beater boxes, hauls, Macari haul, everything like that. Follow my IG and you will be able to cop shoes. As simple as that. If you follow my IG, turn on notifications for my stories. Follow my Snapchat at bang377. Look, I post shoes all the time. Go over there. All my social medias, that's where you're going to be able to cop shoes at, for real. So, go head over there. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gone.